Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 245 on Leetcode. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's contest, problems, whatever you like. Each of these problems will of course have its own explanation video. So, check out on the links below on the description or something like that. There's 20 seconds to go. Wish me good luck. I've been a little bit bad on implementation, even though I guess the theory I'm still okay on. But yeah, implementation's just been bad. Indexing, matrices, I don't know. So hopefully this contest will do a little bit better. That said, I've been doing some light drinking, so we'll see how that goes. Just a couple of drinks, so we'll see. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Oh no, I forgot to register. I thought I clicked on this button. So, okay, that's like 5 seconds gone. But let's see. Okay, go. After removing k characters from what? From S. That's tough. Maybe. Can't really do one at a time, can you? I mean, it's a Q2, but I'm having trouble with it. I guess it's just binary search, but it's still pretty hard. That's not right. Why? Oh, I forgot to check the footbit. Come on, come on. Don't be too slow. Okay. There may be an easier solution on that one because it seems like people got faster. A lot of people got this one. I don't know. People are fast. $1,000. I did the other problem much dumber now that I think about it. But yeah. This is not right. This is. Little iffy on this greedy. It is n square only. Did I miss? Ooh, I misread this one. Whoops. That's gonna be time limit. I misread the constraints. For some reason, I read this as 1,000. That is dumb on my part. That's an obvious time limit. It exceeded. Okay. I misread the constraints. Okay. Can I take advantage of this? Dumb Larry. Larry, you're dumb. Okay. All good. Well, okay, maybe not. Oh, whoops. All good. Okay. Silly. I misread the constraints. That was just dumb. Okay. Let's see. What a stupid 5 minutes. Wasn't even that hard. Maybe. Greedy is always tough to prove. Okay, let's start. Hmm. 28. This is where having a pen and paper is handy, I guess. But we want 2 and 4. 2 has to win. This is a hard problem, maybe. How bad did I do? Oh wow, someone finished it. Nice, well done. What a silly mistake. 8 minutes? Wow. I am slower today than I thought. That's what happens when you go drinking, I guess. Okay, but I don't even know how to simulate this, but it's not this tree. It goes okay. I don't know. N is 28. That's the. Can we exploit that? That means there's. How many games are there? So after one game, so there are 14 results. That's not true, right? Because you have to force to win. So there's only 12 results, and then there's 12 games after that. Well, the 14 games. Okay, let's see. 14 games in the first round at most, but 2 of them at most, so you only have 12 choice, and then in the second round you have 7 games, so in the second game 7 of them, so at most only 5 of them are choiced. In the third you have 4 of them, I guess, but at most 2 of them you get to choose. And then the fourth you have 2, and then that's the 2 numbers anyway. So that means that there are most 4 rounds, and the number of decisions are 19. So that's enforceable, I think. Yeah, that's a crazy analysis. Can I simulate this fast enough in Python anyway? So I know how to solve this now, I think. But I'm just trying to think whether Python is fast enough. Because it should be fast enough. It is just... Yeah. Should be fast enough. Okay. But I'm still going to do it in Java. Because I don't want to think about it. Okay. So for 28 is 20. So let's just say let's see, min of 20 or n. Okay, we want to return an end result. Okay, that's fine. Oh, yeah, this is Java, so it's this. And this is... Okay. Should be only 17, 19, okay, but that's fine. Okay. Yeah, people should be solving this. I don't. If I could solve it, I feel like a lot of people could solve it. So, yeah. So this has only at most 4 rounds of simulation. So that's only like 50 operations. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. I forget Java. Should have done it in C# maybe. I forget how to array list. Is that fine? Is that right? Add to do. Is array list the one with the, what's it, vector? I should have done it in C#. It's fine. Someone's gonna leave a comment on how to do it in Java, but it's fine. I'm gonna solve this and it's fine. As long as I solve this, it will be a little bit slow, but that's okay. So this is one index for some reason. Yep. Okay, so that works. I wasn't sure about auto boxing and stuff. It's been a long time. Okay. I want a deck actually. Java. have to keep on checking, and this is something that's what happens is I'm unfamiliar with Java, so okay. Oh, right. Oh, Java. Why did I choose Java instead of Python? Is it too late? Maybe I should have just done C++, but it's fine. This is gonna be slow, but that's fine. That's my thing about choosing a different language. Oh no! Wrong button. I cannot do anything right today. This is what happens when you use the browser thing. What is the... okay, fine. Eight or 5 minute penalty. I mean, I'm already gonna use penalties, but that's just a silly one. That's what happens when you need to click a lot. Yikes. It's fine. Probably should not have been drinking. Okay. Okay, first is smaller than second, okay. First and left wins. Otherwise, we take a bit. Oops, this should be left. I mean, I think this is it, roughly. Maybe I have some issues with things, but in concept, this is it. So bad today. Just misclicking. Okay, let's give it a submit. Maybe I missed some edge case, but I think this is okay. I should have tried the 28 case or whatever. Yeah, I should have tried this one. Why does that? Why is that too slow? Well, I guess I do a lot of operations here. But no, that shouldn't be that many operations. Don't know why. Let's see if this gives me a... This should be a million, right? I should have tested this though, because this is such an obvious test case. Why is that too slow? It's not that it is wrong, it is that it's too slow. Or maybe it's just it never converges. Is that true? I guess not. And this should still be right. It's just I need to figure out how to code it in a smart way. Also, because I know why. Because I don't add the remaining number. And it might be the number that I'm thinking about, so. I don't know. This should be conceptually right, but I'm missing some silly things. Yeah, because this is just not, you know. It still gives me time limit exceeded, but it shouldn't go over 5 rounds, so that means that my simulation is wrong. Let's see. So this is 5 goes 2. No, that should be right. What is wrong with my code? Okay, let's... So this is right. This is also annoying to debug. Am I debugging? I'm surprised that it doesn't go that deep. think sort is a function. Why? I don't know the answer for this one, but actually that sounds about right. But that's not quite right, right? Why would that be right? Well, it uses a seed for no reason, so I think this is wrong for odd thing, that's why. Yeah, this is still pretty slow, but at least it's working again. I don't know, this is really slow. I might need to figure out how to do the simulation faster. Oh, let's give it a YOLO though. It doesn't look so good. I mean, the actual thing doesn't matter, right? Because by itself it is fine, but I feel like this is it, but my constants are too high. Well, I need to be maybe smarter about it, to be honest. Because right now I do a lot of possibilities that are not necessary. can I put this in a smarter way? What if I don't sort? I know that this changes the solution and it's not right, but let's see the timing. Much faster, so maybe I need to not sort. By definition, this is not possible, I guess. But, well, I guess it is, just not in that way. Is that right? Let's give it a try. If it's still too slow, then I have to do a little bit better. Maybe there's more mathematical way of doing it. I thought this would be fast enough, to be honest. The other thing is that maybe I could do this a little bit faster. The annoying thing is that if it's not the sum of execution time, this should run fast enough, but... And even then, this is not that slow. This is only doing... I don't know why this is too slow. Maybe 50 million, I guess that adds up. The thing is, I'm doing a lot of branching that I don't need to. That's the problem. I think this could be recursed. And this is just brute force, but maybe I try to be too clever with this thing. Let's try again. Okay, fine. That's so annoying. How do I do this in a smart way? Let me keep this part for now. I know this isn't right. I'm just trying to see. I mean, this shouldn't happen anymore. But yeah. This is just a very frustrating day. Like, I feel like I know how to do everything, but everything is just a little bit too slow. Yeah, okay. So the min is... Did I get that right? Nope. I think this is still right. I mean, none of the inputs really matter. It's just a summation of execution time. So it's just about whether this is fast enough. I don't even know if this is right though. I should have kept my old solution just to kind of see if this is right. But let's just give YOLO. Come on, please. If it's still too slow, then yeah, maybe I need to do something smarter. And now it doesn't even give me a test case because it is fast enough, but just barely not. That's really annoying though, because they made the constraints such that people got it pretty quickly too. A lot of people got it. Wow. I mean, it's probably some divide and conquer thing that as well, but so the earliest is is there some additional pruning that I can do? No, I don't know. I guess this is not needed anymore, but shouldn't change performance. Add 412. Still pretty fast, pretty slow. Like, I feel like this is almost random now. Like, it gets a little bit faster, but I don't get it. This is only 2 to the 20 times, I don't know, times 100 at most. I mean, maybe 100 million is actually too big. Maybe that's fair, but not by that much. I'm very tempted to just have a whole table of this, to be honest. Because how many possible answers are there? How many possible questions are there? So is 28 choose 2. Now I wish I did it in Python because I don't have a C# compiler ready to run this offline. And 10,000 values. I have to generate it. I'm gonna use an online compiler. Not gonna lie. Just want to see if this works. So I'm basically running it here on this online C# compiler, and then now I can generate a Python dictionary. I'm desperate, yo, right? I hope this is fast enough to run in this compiler thing though. I actually don't know if it runs into anything. Let's not even print it out, let's just see if it runs fast enough. It might time out because I don't know how much quota they give you. Okay, let's just do 28. Still too slow. Can I do this backwards? Yeah, I guess so. Now 2 to the 28 is too slow. I'm doing 2.8 billion operations, so that's probably gonna be too slow too. Maybe I just don't know how to do this one. Maybe this is just one of those days where I feel like I'm close, but the math seems to be okay, but maybe not. Because this does 28 to 14. It's like 50 operations, like I said. It's like 50 million, but maybe a slow 50 million. Does this work for 5? 5 is fast. Or 20. 20 is pretty fast too. Is that true? Still pretty slow in here. Wow. That's the power of a real fast computer, I guess. Can I wonder if there's any way of backing this out. Like, given this pattern, can I figure out another pattern that's faster? I haven't thought about it too much. It seems like it's just half for the, I think you just do a strategy for earliest and then do a strategy for latest, but I don't know. No, because 2 is 3 for everybody. Can my simulation be faster? I mean, the funny thing is that on here it takes really fast, but tells you how fast Leetcode's computers are. But oh, 25. Does 25 start getting slow? Probably. I mean, if this is too slow, it's not gonna be fast enough for my computer to run. Then that means I have to do something smarter. What am I doing wrong? It would be funny if Java is all I needed. Java is all I need. 352. Let's give it a go. I don't know what else to try, so let's try Java. Actually, probably don't have to change that much. Let's see what I have to change. Oh, that length. It's that length lowercase. Really should alias this. Are you kidding me? This is like so much faster. If this works in Java, I would be not happy. But I mean, maybe I'll be slightly happy. But let's give it a spin. Oh my! I don't know what to tell you. I mean, you saw I did the work. I don't know what to say. I got most of this right. Apparently I should have used Java. That's the short story. Or maybe C++, I don't know. But what a disaster. Hopefully I make top 200, but I have so many penalties. So it's going to be that way for the end of the. I don't know, but the thing is, right? Like even when I feel like I did okay, I didn't do okay because of silly mistakes. And one of the submissioners, of course, I just didn't. But and most of the issue was just that I was using C#. I thought C# would be fast enough, but it turns out Java is much faster on Leetcode. Today I learned that. Yeah, I mean, I think I was trying to. Well, I guess when in doubt, use Java. Don't use C#. That's my lesson learned here. Because I definitely would have gotten this. I don't know how long ago I had it. And maybe the other way that I voted wasn't that efficient, to be honest, because I was using array list and stuff like that. But still, I was debugging this for 36 minutes. 36 minutes, where I had most of it idea right. Maybe I could have, even if I did the array list thing, maybe it's 23 minutes. But 23 minutes and 2 or 3 more penalties is a lot. It's like half an hour. I would have 1 hour-ish, and that would have put me in, you know, I mean, respectable-ish, top 100-ish, maybe a little bit higher, that is. But I'm not, I don't know. Maybe, to be honest, I also feel like there's probably a better solution to Q4 than the way that I did it. Because I just noticed A-Rice here, Alex, and Alex does it in Python, so he probably did it in some really smarter way. Yeah, but I don't know. And it might still be true that, to be honest, it would be funny if this kind of times out afterwards. But I don't know. Let's see. Where's my thingy? Oh, this is .NET. I guess there's no. I was gonna look for see if there's a Java to see if it would run faster. But I'm too lazy to test that. I don't know. To be honest, it might very well that this is gonna fail later on, but I don't know how to solve this. Other than maybe there's some sort of greedy we can depend on. By I don't know. I think there's some weird thing where I think there's a sort of greedy where, and this is me trying to upsolve it a little bit, because I'm not confident about this, but where, okay, so the earliest is kind of easy. You just, well, I don't want to say it's easy, but you basically, I don't know. This is very hard. I mean, still trying to think whether is there any way I can put in a second solution for this. But this was super fast, to be honest. Does it tell you how fast it goes during the contest? I actually don't know. I don't usually look at it. Yeah, it doesn't really tell you. But as you saw, like this is literally the same as my C# code, which times out. So, but I don't. Maybe there's some sort of greedy problem for. But I don't know if there's some sort of greedy. N equals 28 doesn't really make sense. Maybe there's a better way to simulate it. Maybe there's a easier way to do the branching. But I don't know. Yeah, I really don't know. We don't have any idea. Where am I in rank? I don't even. What a disaster. 213. I mean, it's okay given whatever, but I don't know why I was so slow in Q3. Everyone is. Oh no, that's right, because I misread the constraints. But still, everyone was so much faster in Q2 as well. Now Q2, I guess I'm on par with a lot of people, so it's not just me. But Q3, I should have done much faster. I misread the problem, the constraints, and then I had to well, Q3 is one of those problems that is greedy, so it's always going to be a little bit hard. But and this one I did it in a funky way. I think I could have saved time if I didn't do all this binary search stuff. All I needed to do was look through each character one at a time, but I guess I optimized it, but I didn't really need to, and that wasted some time. Okay, I mean that's all I have. Maybe I'll come back later to do a code review on Q4, but that'll be in its own problem thing. So let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. It was fun. This is a good contest. I wish I did better, and I don't know, I was just a little bit off in a lot of places. But, yeah. Stay good, stay cool. Hope you had a great week. And yeah, I'll see you later. We'll chat. Bye. Join me on Discord. And as always, the good mental health. Bye-bye.